In this video, I will explain you how to change the agent ownership from one user to another for an agent built using Copilot Studio. Now, as you see over here in the interface, this is a Copilot Studio interface. Now you have a list of agents and the owner associated with that agent. Now, there can be only one owner for an agent. That owner can get the special privilege of deleting the agent itself. So, take for example, if here Oslo agent, I am the owner, I can delete the agent. I can share this agent with multiple people by giving them a viewer, editor, and analytics viewer rights, but then that people will not be able to delete this agent. Only the owner can delete the agent. Similarly, if you see Brussels City agent is owned by Alex, now Alex can only delete the agent. Now, why would you like to change the agent ownership? So, take for example, if you have an employee who has created this agent and the employee has decided to part ways with your company. Now, in order to change the ownership from the an employee who has resigned, who's about to leave the organization, you will initiate that agent ownership transfer process. Or maybe if that person has already left an organization, now that agent has been left orphaned, there is no owner for that specific agent, and at that time admin would need to take the control about agent ownership. Okay, so just to explain you about the personas. So in one section I have Girish, in another section I have Alex. So if you see Alex's interface, so Alex is logged into Copilot Studio, and Alex is a less privileged user. So Alex can see four agents in this list, right? Now, if I go over here and maybe pick up any agent, say World News agent. So if I go over here and maybe share this agent with Alex, so as you see over here, the World News agent is owned by me. So I'm going to share this with Alex so that Alex at least can see in the list, right? So I just type in Alex's name, and Alex's name should appear, and I will grant him editor access. So Alex is an editor access, analytics viewer, and end user access. So Alex should be able to see this agent, right? Successfully change the sharing settings for your agent. So I'll just cancel this out. Now, if you see over here, I am the owner. So World News agent, I click on three dots, I can delete this agent. So I click on delete and then I can permanently delete this agent because I'm an owner. How do you know I'm an owner? You navigate to the agents list over here. So let me navigate to the agents list and show it to you where you can see. Now this is the new interface. Now here in the new interface, you can just type in the name of the agent. So I'll just type in World News agent and you see the owner as Girish, right? Now if I go into Alex, now Alex couldn't see this agent. Now after me sharing that agent, Alex should be able to view that agent as well. Now, the only difference between me and Alex currently is I am the owner, Girish is an owner, and Alex is an editor. So, as you see over here, World News Agent is shared, owner is Girish Uppal. If you click on three dots, delete and go to demo website is disabled. So, that means as an owner, you cannot, or as an owner, you can delete the agent, but you are not an owner, and that's why you can't delete the agent. Let's go into the other way. Like I'm going into the inside of that agent, and now I'm gonna say maybe confirm the consent and click on three dots. Let me delete it from here. As you see, you cannot delete, you can't start the deployment process, you can't go to the demo website as an owner. So let's assume Girish leaves an organization and now we want to hand over everything to Alex. Now if that is a situation, how can we address that? So I want this agent to be transferred to the new owner. So for that, what we need to do is like navigate to admin center, Microsoft 365 admin center, click on all agents. Now first thing first, you need to have that agent published. Now, if that agent is not published, you will not be able to see that particular agent in this list. So as you see over here, World News agent is already there. I have an option to block the agent, but I'll go inside an agent. Now here inside an agent, I can see various details of the agent like the users, data and tools, security, permissions, activity, and other things. But here you see a button assign new owner. I click on assign new owner and now I assign the owner to be Alex Wilbur. Click on assign and then this agent will be assigned to Alex. And now I will lose the ownership of this particular agent. Once this process is done, it might take a couple of minutes for it to refresh. And once that is done, Alex will be the new owner, and Alex should be able to delete the agent. Okay, you have assigned ownership of this agent to Alex Wilbur. Now let me go ahead over here and see this change from Girish to Alex. So I'll do a hard refresh. And I should be able to see the change of ownership name in some time. It won't be quick, but if I just sort it, and as you see over here, now the owner is Alex. If I log in as Alex, click on agents again, just to see the list of agent, still showing owner as Girish. Now it should, after a refresh, show the owner as Alex. And once the ownership has been assigned to Alex, what I'm going to do is like I'll go inside the agent and see whether I can delete that agent or not. So the delete should light up. As you see, the owner is now Alex. I click on three dots and now the delete option is lighted up. Click on World News Agent, go inside an agent and see whether other options get lighted up or not. Because now you're the owner, you can perform various operations over here. Yes, you can click on delete. Now, if I click on delete, I can permanently delete this agent. So what we have seen over here is an agent being created by person A. Person A leaves an organization or desire to lose the ownership of that agent. Admin logs into admin center and then takes the ownership from user A and grant it to user B for the ownership. And now user B can technically perform any operation on that particular agent. So that means you have reclaimed the ownership from other user. Thanks for watching.